A woman who wanted to work at a nightclub started searching for someone who could perform plastic surgery at a cheap price to give her a curvier body. Reports say what she found was a woman posing as a doctor who filled her buttocks with cement, mineral oil, and flat tire sealant. Reports say the suspect, who police say was born a man and identifies as a woman, apparently performed the surgery on herself. And investigators say she may have victimized others. Breaking internet radio news. Woman gets cement injections in bottom. You hear it here first.